Hi guys, how can you create the halftone effect in Adobe Illustrator? First, open your image in Adobe Illustrator and fit it to the canvas. Now select the rectangle tool and draw a shape over the entire image. Fill the rectangle with black color. Next, open the gradient panel. Apply a black to white gradient. Set. Left color. Stop. Black. Right color. Stop. White. White location. 75%. Angle. Minus 120 degrees. Adjust the gradient until it looks similar to the desired effect. Now go to Effect Pixelate Color Halftone. Set. Max radius 50. Channel 1, 2, 3, 4 on 5. Press OK. If the dots look too large or too pixelated, go again to Effect Pixelate Color Halftone. OK on New Apply Effect. This time set. Max radius 40. All channels on 4. Press OK. Now go to Window Transparency. Change the blending mode from normal to screen. And that's it. This is how you can create a color halftone effect in Adobe Illustrator.